Today we are going to talk about the Mandela Effect, and it is trippy. The Mandela Effect is a psychological phenomenon where a large mass of people have the same false memory. Here are some of the wildest. The first one will obviously be the incident that coined the term. Many people remember Nelson Mandela dying in a South African prison in the 1980s, when really he didn't pass away until 2013. Now, this one blew my mind because I have this memory. Many people believe the comedian Sinbad was in a 1990s movie called Shazam. And I'm still having a hard time believing that this isn't real. I Googled it and it's nowhere on the internet. Do you remember this one? There are a lot where the wording is a little different. So one of the most famous one is in the Star Wars movie where he says, "Luke, I am your father." Never said that. He said, "No, I am your father." Another one similar would be Snow White, "Mirror, mirror on the wall." It wasn't that. It was "magic mirror on the wall." And then other small words like a lot of us say "Sex in the City." It was "Sex and the City." Another... The peanut butter brand Jiffy never existed. Only Jif and Skippy. So could be that we were combining the two and remembering Jiffy. Okay, why does this happen? One theory is essentially we were just fed the wrong information from the jump and then we became very confident in it. Good example of that one is the Berenstain Bears, as I remember it, but it is actually the Berenstain Bears, not an E, an A. You heard Berenstain, or that's what you saw originally, and then you just rolled with it. Another would be kind of like the organization of your brain. So Ben Franklin, Alexander Hamilton, never our presidents, but maybe as we were learning about them, we kind of categorize them into that area of our brain. Then when we go to think about them, it fires those neurons and it causes us to misremember. All right, the theory I'm going with: parallel realities via quantum physics. Essentially that we live in just one reality of many, and that perhaps we have jumped from one timeline to another where Sinbad was in fact playing a character in the movie Shazam, and we're remembering from that parallel dimension. What about you? What false memories do you have, and which theory are you going with?